divide 806 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 6 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 806 divided by 5 is 161 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.